Alright, so it's the first time we've taken this car out since we moved in here about a month ago. Boom! Monster truck chilling. And then there's Dan's wife's car, Irene's NB. Simple and clean with a hardtop. And then Dan just got new RA1s. These are OG Toyos. Look at that. Got that muscle car swagger right there. It's like a reverse stretch. It's almost like a, what is that? It's like a concave look. Looks badass. Red car gang. Here's a quick video of the car. I'm just gonna do a quick walk around here because I don't really have time to shoot something crazy today, but you know, I'm just shooting some new photos for the Instagram page, and figured, why not shoot some video of the car. Now I'm still working on my taillight setup, so if you guys are curious what happened to the taillight, that was a render actually, and a diffuser as well. These are the custom halos with the rigid headlights, and I got the retrofit source bulbs. They're actually switchback, so when I hit the signals, it turns from white to amber. Super cool, super clean. Let me switch the polarizer here real quick and see if we can get rid of that glare. A little bit. So I'm gonna turn on the hazards here real quick to see how it looks like. Let's see if I can reach back there. Boom. All right. There it is, all the white turned amber. It's pretty sweet. Super clean. Now when I turn it off, it goes back to the white. And it doesn't just turn off, it actually fades into white. So, super sweet. Quick look of the interior. Here's my Recaro Pro Racer Hans SPA Kevlar seats. Got the Momo Monte Carlo. Got these gauge cluster from Rev Limiter. Super cool. It has a little bit of red in there. And then there's my 400mm 2.8 lens. That thing's like $11,000 or something. Crazy. IRP shifter, this thing's for sale. I'm swapping out to something different because we're going LS anyways. Miata side sills, and then all these goodies I made at home. Just look at my my videos on YouTube and you kind of see the process of how to do these. Same with the front. That's about it, man. Quick video, quick update. Stay tuned and watch the new episodes of the build process. I'll have a video of how to install the Rocket Bunny kit on this car from start to finish, so that'll be something cool to see.